face. It has the number 12 at the top and moves from left to right. This is called a clockwise direction. So from 12, we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and back to 12. This is the hour hand, shown in red. It's the smallest hand. This tells us the hour we are currently in. And this is the minute hand, shown in red. It's the longest hand. This tells us how many minutes we are into the current hour showing. This is the seconds hand, shown in red. The thinnest hand. This shows us how many seconds we are in into the current minute showing. For this lesson, the second hand is not needed, because telling the time doesn't require the telling of how many seconds have passed. So let's take it off for now. Okay, so let's start with the hour hand. This will indicate what hour we are in. For example, this is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and so on. If the hour is in between the two numbers as shown, we will say it's in the 3 o'clock range. We'll explain this shortly. Now, we have the minute hand. This indicates each minute that passes within the hour. So this is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and 60 minutes. So, 60 minutes to 1 hour, 60 seconds to 1 minute. There is 24 hours to 1 day. 12 o'clock at night to 12 o'clock midday. Then, back to 12 o'clock at night. 12 plus 12 equals 24. So, you can have a 7 o'clock in the morning and a 7 o'clock at night. I'm so sleepy. So, let's look at an important part of telling the time. When the time shows this, you can say 7:15 or 7:15, 'cause there is 4 quarters on this clock face. 1, 2, 3, 4. When using the word past, it's always when the minute hand is in this section of a clock face. When it goes past the 6 or the 30-minute mark, we say 2. The time showing now, we say 25 minutes to 8, or we can say 7:35, because the minute hand is 35 minutes into the hour of 7. Let's look at some more samples. When we show this time, it's 8:05, or 5 past 8. Think of all the numbers on the clock face as just numbers for the short hand. They are all numbers for what hour it is. Now, there is also these numbers, used for the minute hand or long hand. So, we can come up with the current time. These numbers will get easier to remember the more you start telling time. Okay, so let's run through some times. This is 1:20, or 20 past 1. Now, we have 3:45 or 3:45. The quarter being 15 minutes to 4. Do you understand? Let's go through some more. This is 4:55 or 5 to 5. In 5 minutes, the hour hand will be directly on the 5, indicating 5 o'clock. Now we have 6:25 or 25 past 6. Here we have 6:40 or 20 to 7. Okay, now it's your turn. I will give you some times, then we can have a try. Then we'll see if your answer is right. What's this time? Did you say 9:15 or 9:15? What's the time here? Did you say 11:50 or 10 to 12? Okay, let's try a few more. What's this time? Okay, did you say 5:40 or 20 minutes to 6? I hope you're going okay with your answer so far. Okay, what's this one? Did you say 20 past 10 for 10:20? Very good. Just remember, the minute hand times is shown here. As a beginner, you can always count in 5s to see how many minutes the long hand is on. So you can say 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 20 minutes past the hour of 10. Okay, here is a few more. 11:50 or 10 to 12. Here is 12:45 or 1:45. Next is 12 o'clock. Both hands are in the same position. Here is 4 o'clock. The minute hand has not progressed into any minutes into the 4 o'clock hour. So it's just 4 o'clock. I think you got it now. Yippee! Did you have fun? Okay, we got a question for you regarding time. Do you know what AM and PM stand for? If so, please leave your answer in the comments. But if you don't know, you can look in the description to find out the exact meaning. I think it might be different to what you think. Well, it's been great fun learning how to tell time. Hope to see you again next time. If you like our video, please think about subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, then the little notification bell.